Welcome to the API 1163 Analysis Training and Cognitive Integrity Management, or SIM. In this video, we'll show how an API 1163 Level 2 and Level 3 ILI performance validation can be completed and how SIM integrates PRCI's API 1163 guidance document and associated spreadsheet tool. First off, in order to validate the performance of an ILI system, you must have field depths for metal loss anomalies to act as the truth data for the ILI data you are validating. Per PRCI's guidance document, a Level 2 analysis needs a minimum of 6 data points, and a Level 3 analysis needs 10 data points. Do you have enough field data in SIM? Good. Let's continue. The API 1163 analysis can be accessed by navigating to the integrity compliance process within SIM. Here you'll see a drop-down for API 1163 in the top right of the analysis grid. Select API 1163 to be taken to the setup screen. Similar to creating an analysis of your ILI results, the API 1163 setup screen asks you for the system name, the name of the analysis, and the assessment on which you'll be conducting the analysis. The vendor report to analyze is the ILI report you want to analyze to validate performance. The depths of the metal loss anomalies in this report will be compared to field measurement data from past digs. In the General tab, select which assessments you want field measurement data to be pulled from. SIM captures field measurement data when it's uploaded into SIM using the repair template or is manually entered in dig management or threat monitoring. You can use field measurement depths from one or multiple assessments, meaning if you have repair data from 4 previous inline inspections, you can use the field measurement data from all 4 inspections. Similar to the PRCI spreadsheet, the field measurement error and wall thickness error can be accounted for or left 0. The field measurement error is the error that may occur when sizing the depth of a metal loss feature in the field by an NDE technician or tool. The field wall thickness error is the error that may occur when measuring the wall thickness in the field. Tool tolerance refers to the ILI depth sizing error and is typically provided in the ILI file or pipe tally. It's good to keep in mind that we are only comparing the depth of metal loss anomalies in this analysis. The inputs for depth and crack field measurement error should be 0, as the functionality currently only focuses on metal loss anomalies. Make sure to put a 0 in these fields and do not leave them blank, or you will receive an error when you try to process the analysis. Once complete, press Save to see the results of this analysis. Click on the API 1163 Data tab to see the data table that was designed using this PRCI spreadsheet and is now automatically populated with ILI data from the ILI report you selected, as well as field data. In this version of SIM, all metal loss anomalies are shown in this table. However, in a future version, only those anomalies with a field measured depth will appear in this table. To see only those anomalies that have a field measured depth, select Filters, and on the Field Measurements Depth column, select Is Not Null. In this grid, you can uncheck anomalies to exclude them from the analysis. If you uncheck anomalies, remember to press Save to ensure SIM reruns the analysis without the unchecked anomalies. Now click on Reports and then API 1163 Analysis Results to see the results of the calculations. SIM will automatically generate both the Level 2 report and Level 3 reports in one dashboard. When you open the report, it will open on the Level 2 analysis first. If you don't see the anomalies plotted on the Unity plot, click Refresh. Notice that SIM uses the same Level 2 method as PRCI, as well as PRCI's recommendations for certainty and confidence, although you can adjust these values in the report. At the top are the results of the API 1162 Level 2 calculations, which also mirror the tables on the Analysis tab of the PRCI spreadsheet. N equals the number of data points that the analysis was performed on, whereas X equals the number of data points within specification or tolerance. So for this example, 34 out of the 36 data points are within plus or minus 10%. P hat equals the probability that a data point is within tolerance, which is simply X divided by N. P hat lower and P hat upper are the bounds of the calculated confidence interval, referred to as the lower endpoint and upper endpoint. For this example, if the ILI stated certainty is 90%, that would represent outcome 2 because 90% is between 84% and 99%. This means that the vendor-provided specification is not rejected and may accurately characterize actual performance, although other performances are plausible. The bulk of the report is a graph showing the ILI measured depth versus the field measured depth, also referred to as a unity plot. You can hover over each anomaly in the unity plot to learn more information about each individual anomaly. Now let's review the Level 3 analysis. Notice that SIM uses the same Level 3 method and values as the PRCI spreadsheet. Also notice that all ILI versus field measured values are within tolerance. This is due to the nature of the Level 3 analysis, which determines or quantifies the performance specification of the ILI system that was selected instead of comparing the performance to a published specification. A Level 3 analysis gives us the actual performance of the ILI system with a calculated tolerance interval that's intended to bound the true performance at a given level of competence. For this example, the ILI system tended to undercall the metal loss anomalies at around 2.4% times wall thickness. For increased conservatism, you could add 2.4% depth to all metal loss anomalies when identifying anomalies to repair or mitigate. Say that I determined that this value here was an outlier, and I wanted to exclude it from the analysis. Because I haven't submitted this analysis yet, I can simply go back to the API 1163 data tab and exclude it by unchecking the box on the far left. Then I'll press Save, navigate back to the report, and then press Refresh. Notice that the Level 3 calculated tolerance interval is much smaller. The calculated bias is also decreased as well. When you're done reviewing the analysis, click Submit to finalize the analysis and prevent further changes. If you have workflow approval set up, this analysis will be submitted for approval. This concludes training of the API 1163 analysis and SIM. If you have any questions, please contact your account executive or the SIM user guide.